Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with market analysis. This is a new video on how to trade with market analysis. So here you see I place my trade call option here because of the breakout of flat 100 EMA. So I'm expecting market to range around 100 EMA after these three candles, because we are in ranging market. So always you should expect market to trace back after breakout. You see strong bias entry, so that's why I place my trade here, call option. And you can see here is support and the resistance I already draw. You see here this is support, this is support here, and here another support, then sorry, this is resistance here. You see this is another resistance, this is support here. As you can see, this is support, this doji. So that's why immediately after market close with the rejection and this ranging market as well, and we are far away from 200 EMA, 100 is far away from 200, so you should expect market to reverse after breakout. So that's why I place my trade. You see call option. So let's check another one. So here you see this is another ranging market here. Here is ranging market, and this is another support and resistance area here. You see market just close at this spot here, sorry, resistance area, and this is ranging market. So you see market is touching 50 EMA, and we are at this Bollinger Band area, 2 deviation, and you can see round number. So if this candle is weak or red candle, I'll still place my trade call option, even though market has rejected from this this EMA. So let's wait, because I missed this one here because of this level. So not a problem, let's wait. We see momentum here. So I will wait to see what will be the next candle. We see this is momentum, but we are at overbought area. We are above so this candle is not nice. Let me wait again, because I'm not sure this candle. So I'm not sure about this candle, so that's why I didn't place my trade. But you see this Bollinger is like wants to break out, and this candle has rejected from 1 deviation lower. Yes, rejection. So no rejection. So let's wait, because still it's not convinced. Maybe market is trying to range to go more higher again, because here is consolidation area. So you can see we are in consolidation area between 20 and 50 MA. So but this is momentum. So we are in consolidation area. So you see, if this is hammer candlestick, I'll place put option. So here so let's wait, because it's low volume market. So let's wait again. So market is trying to change direction here. You see, this is hammer candlestick. So now market is breaking. It's breaking this EMA. Market is still trying to go more down. Yes, market is trying to go down. This is very low volume market, so let's wait for market to break the consolidation area. You see, still market is trying to go higher, but the 20 MA is still pointing down. It's not flat, but 50 is flat, so it means market is breaking 50 MA. So you see, I can see rejection. Yes, I place call option because of the strong rejections here. I can see rejections here. That's why I place my trade call option. I'm expecting market to close above here. That's why I place my trade. So let's see. See, market is trying to close above 50 EMA. Market is doing some panic, but is winning trade because of my good entry point. Let's see. So let's check another one. So here you see this is ranging market because of plus 200 EMA, but you can see breakout of Bollinger Band, and the 20 is trying to cross 50 here, but still we are in ranging because you see the alignment of the EMA show that we are in downtrend, but this is momentum, so I'm not sure what market is supposed to trace. Yes, market is supposed to come down. Market is supposed to come down here because of flat 200 EMA. 200 is flat, so market is supposed to comes down, even though market is doing some panic, but I'm expecting market to comes down because of flat 200 EMA, flat 100 EMA, even though this 20 is trying to cross 50, but I'm expecting market to come down. You see, market is doing some panic. We have 7 seconds. You see, market is coming down. You see the next candle still is trying to come down. So you see, I took total 3 trades based on market analysis. All are winning trade. As you can see here, I placed my trade call option here because of breakout of 20 plus 20 MA, and in confluence with support and resistance here. Then this one, I place my trade call option with marginal of safety. Why? Because of breakout of flat 50 MA and rejection. Then I decided to place my trade call option here, and here I place my trade put option here because of the breakout of 200 EMA and rejection here. So I know market is reversing based on the running candle here, and you see still market is reversing. So let me take one more trade, then I finish. So this is consolidation area, but market is still going down. Why? Because of this hammer candlestick showed that market definitely is going down, even though we are in consolidation area between 50 and 100 EMA, but this is hammer candlestick continuation after this hammer candlestick. So you know market is going down, so that's why I place my trade immediately. You see, and the major trend is uptrend, but minor trend is strong downtrend with momentum. So you see strong sellers entry. We have 5 seconds to finish. You see, this is another winning trade. So you see, I took total 4 trades in a row. All are winning trades based on market analysis, EMA, candlestick, support and resistance, Bollinger Band. So that's what I have told you in the previous in the beginning of this video. If you are trading with market analysis, you are trading with combination of all EMS, support and resistance, trend lines, Bollinger. So you will combine, and even candlestick patterns, and try to figure out the good opportunity and trade. So it's very, very simple if you can be able to identify the ranging market and strong trend. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.